Hey, it's Jonas, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your website and in many cases your videos ranked really fast. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to connect some social media accounts. They're going to be blogger.com, it's also going to be tumblr.com, and it's going to be sites.google.com. These are three social media sites that you're going to create if you don't have them already, and you're going to connect them to Google Search Console, which was formerly known as Google Webmasters. And what that is going to do is, and I know this probably sounds complicated right now, I'm going to simplify it, and I assure you it's very simple. But in short, this is going to be able to rank your website and videos very quickly. So let me get started right away. I think I have all the pages up here already. If I don't, I'll have to just open it up. Anyway, Google Search Console is going to look like this. So in order to get here, just type in, go to Google and type in Google Webmasters, or just go to google.com/webmasters, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So just sign in with your Gmail or the account that you're currently using. So I'm using jonas@jlindgren.com, but just use any of the emails that you have and sign in. And then you're going to want to use the same email address. So this is probably going to be Gmail for you. Set up the same Gmail when you sign up for Blogger, for example. So use that Gmail that you have on Search Console for this account and for Google site, and for, I actually doesn't matter for Tumblr, but for Google sites.google.com and blogger.com, make sure you use the same email account when you sign up as the one that you're going to use on Google Search Console, because what that's going to do then is it's going to automatically be inside of Google Search Console, which means that you're not going to have to manually add them because they're already going to be there. But I'm going to show you how to do this anyway in case you already have an account with Blogger or sites like Google, and I'm also going to show you how to do it with Tumblr as well, but it's super simple. And then in the other video that's going to be below this one, I'm going to show you what to actually post on these sites and how to then get them indexed within a couple of seconds. So let's start with blogger.com. Super simple stuff. This is what it's going to look like once you've set up an account here. And again, if you don't know how to set up an account, literally just go to blogger.com and it's going to say something like sign up. Just click there, enter your email, and you're pretty much in. So after that, you're going to do a post, of course, but that comes after this. So the first thing you want to do in order to connect this to your Search Console is go down to your settings, and you're going to want to scroll down here to search preferences, and in here it's going to say Google Search Console. Now I can't remember 100% what it said, but I think it's just going to be something like activate, and when you click, or if I were to click edit right now, it's just going to take me to Search Console, and once you're in there, I'm pretty sure it just says activate and it's going to be connected. Super simple stuff. That's the first step. That means you have your Blogger account connected now. Second step is to do it for sites.google.com. Again, it's going to look like this, sites.google.com. So you're going to have to create a little category first. So the one that I'm using mostly is I am reviews. Click that one, and then you're going to want to go to this little cogwheel here. That's what it's called, I think, sort of settings thing. Go down to manage site, and then you're going to just want to scroll down a little bit here. I can't scroll down too much because there are some settings that I don't really want to show. But if we go to, you can enter your analytics web property ID here, but I'm going to show you what it is that you have to do. So let me show you the next step now. So I'm just going to add this as an example. You can't actually add Twitter to Google Search Console. Where are we? Right here. So you're going to click add a property, and then you're going to enter the link of you. So for example, if you have my Blogger account is, I think it says jonaslinger90.blogspot.com or something like that. So that's what you're going to add, your actual name of, actually let me just double check this so that you don't get confused. Let's take a look. Okay, so my account name is, let's take a look. Yeah, so reviewbyjonas.blogspot.com. That's the one that you're going to enter here in the Search Console settings. That's your web setup. For now, I'm just going to do this, and this isn't going to work, but that's fine. I just want to show you what the code is. So here are your options. You can either download an HTML file, but for sites.google and Blogspot, that's not going to work. As I said, the sites.google is most likely already going to be activated unless you already have an account. In that case, you have to do it like this. But we can see here, Google Webmasters Tools, verification meta tag. So the only thing you have to do here is go to alternate methods, and you're going to find a HTML tag. So you're going to click that one, and then you're going to get a link that I don't want to show right now. You're going to copy that link into, where were we? So for example, as you can see here, it's going to look something like this. And I don't want to show you my tag because I don't know if anything bad could happen, probably not, but you're just going to copy the tag you get from here and then paste it under the menu right under this one. Paste it, click save, done. That's it. That's how simple it is. You have now activated both sites.google and you've done it for Blogger as well. So you're pretty much done. And again, as I said, if you create these new accounts, they're most likely already going to be in your Search Console. So if you sign up for Search Console first, and then after that you sign up for Blogger and you sign up for sites.google.com, they're most likely already going to be inside of your Search Console. But if not, this is how you add it. Now, Tumblr is a little bit different, but it's still very simple to use. So you're just going to click HTML tag on that one. Then you're going to go to Tumblr. You are going to go to your settings, which is this little dude right here. You're going to go to, I believe it was, where were settings? Edit appearance. You're then going to go to edit theme. And don't worry, this is not complicated. This is actually super, super simple. You're here going to go to edit HTML, and again, when you have your when you click HTML tag, you get that tag that looks like where was it? Like something like this. So let's just take this one for now. We're going to copy this one, but it's going to be your actual real one. Go to edit HTML, and then here I'll just block this out. As you can see, so somewhere between where it says head and should be body right here. So what I did, I just pasted it in between block description and block him, but this doesn't really matter as long as it's somewhere between this and this. So you can paste it in here, you can paste it in here, it doesn't really matter. I chose to paste it in here for me. So just take the code that you just got, you paste it, you're done. That's it. You click update preview and then you're going to click save. And once you've done that, you can go back to Search Console and you can click verify and it's going to work right away. That's how you verify your 3 websites. So again, sites.google, Blogger, and Tumblr. And what this is going to do now is that means that if I go to posts here, so if I go to my posts and I make a post like this one, profit rain review, for example, what I can do then is this. I'll show you. Let me go back here. Okay, I guess I'm not allowed to go back. Here you go. So what I can do then is this. If I go back to this one, reviewbyjonas.blogspot.com, so again here, and I can then just go to view, for example, and I can take the page here, and if I want this page in specific to be indexed pretty much right away, I'll just go to crawl, fetch as Google, and then I'll just paste the last bit here, so not everything I'm going to get rid of. You can see that's what it's going to take, blogspot.com/. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I'll just click fetch. That's it. And as you can see, I've done this many times in the past for all of my reviews. That's it. I'll go into this a little bit more in the next video. But for now, you know how to set this up. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Hey, so I almost forgot. You also need to do this on your actual website if you have one, if you just don't want to rank for videos. So you're going to do the exact same thing pretty much. But if you are using well, pretty much any hosting, I guess, the only thing you need to do then is you're going to go back to Search Console here, and in the add new property section, you're going to add your website there, and then you're going to click the first option that shows up, which is going to be to add a HTML thing. I'll just show you how to do that. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to use this anyway. So click add. So if you're going to enter your own address here or your own website, and then you're going to download this HTML verification file. So you're going to click that one and it's going to download. And what you're going to do after that is you're going to upload this to your website. So you do that by go to cPanel. You're going to go to File Manager, and then you're going to come to this page. That's going to look like this. So what you want to do here is you want to go to your website, and you're going to click the URL or the domain you want to use. Click that one, and then you click, so for example, if this is the page that you want to use, journalistlinkedin.se, I would go to upload. I would go here, and then I would simply upload the file here that I got from Google, this one, and I would click upload. I would then click I'm not a robot, verify, done. That's it. Or if you don't want to use this, if you think that this seems complicated, just go to WordPress. If you got your website up and running already, type in something like Google Webmaster, and you can just download a plugin that will do it for you. I haven't actually used any of these, but this one sounds simple. It says simply insert your Google meta tag verification code using this helpful plugin. So in that case, you could install this. You could then go to Search Console, alternate methods, and click HTML tag, and that will give you that little code that you can use, and you can then just paste that one onto the plugin, and again click verify, and it's done. So super simple stuff. All right, thanks. It's super simple. So just step one, go to Google Webmasters and make sure you sign in there using your Gmail account. Once you've done that, go to blogger.com, go to settings, click search preferences, go to Google Search Console and click this, and it's probably just going to be connected right away. After that, go to sites.google, go to your settings using this little wheel thingy here, scroll down to Google Webmasters tool, and then go back to Search Console so that you get the alternate verification thing there, and then click verify. That's going to be done. And then on Tumblr, as I said, just go to edit HTML, in the settings, paste this little code here, click save, done. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to show you what you're going to want to post on these accounts and how you then get them indexed within like a couple seconds. Cool, so I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.